Hi, Happy New Year. I hope you're well and had a great time over the break. A new year is a perfect opportunity for reflection. I just wanted to jump on the video today and tell you about our upcoming Create Your Destiny event. This event is a vision board workshop, it's a goal setting workshop, but it's so much more than that. It's actually an opportunity to step out of your day-to-day routine and reconnect with yourself. Maybe discover something new about what you believe and how you live your life. It's an opportunity to reflect on the direction of your life and to create empowering new life goals. And to think about how to stay balanced and how to live with purpose and fulfilment. We've actually crammed a lot of different subjects and content into one event, and it's because we want to add massive value to you to really help you to make this the best year ever. During the event, I'll coach you on writing clear goals in all the areas of your life, and I'll help you and give you the tools to create your own empowering vision board. I'll also share with you how to use this interactively every day. To use it as like your Northstar when life knocks you off balance, and to really help you to manifest the life of your dreams. We've had fabulous feedback from previous events, and it's really made a difference in people's lives. So I really hope that you'll take this opportunity to come and join us. It's going to be fun and engaging, and I'd love you to be there. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks. Hi, it's Elizabeth Hart from the Life Academy. I really hope you enjoyed that video and found it helpful. If so, please give us a thumbs up and write a review. And please subscribe on the link below to join us on this journey, to grow and learn together, to live with purpose and fulfilment as the best version of ourselves. See you soon.